Subscribe to my YouTube channel Neeru Tower and press the bell icon to see all my latest videos first. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If your hair is looking dull, dry and frizzy, it likely needs a boost of extra hydration. Hair masks can add intense moisturize to your hair. Helps to look smooth, soft and shiny. Banana are an ideal base for a homemade mask because they loaded with vitamins and minerals and healthy oil that can moisturize and strengthen your hair. Mix your banana with other natural ingredients that you have in your kitchen, such as honey, olive oil, that inexpensive and easy to make. So let's get started. You will need mashed banana, olive oil and honey. Take a half mashed banana, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and lastly I'm adding 1 tablespoon of honey and mix it well. Apply this banana hair mask on your scalp and hair. Then cover your hair and scalp with the hair mask completely and wear your shower cap and leave it for 30 to 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, wash it off with normal water. Use this treatment at least once a week for best result. I hope you like my video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you have any requested videos or queries, then please add it down in the comment section and I will try to reply as soon as possible. Thank you. Love you all. See you in my next video. Bye.